Today I'm looking at an item sent to me by VIMTAG. They did send this to me and I was compensated, just to be fair and transparent. But the opinions are totally mine and the reviews are totally my opinion. So this is a small camera, basically. It's a pan, tilt, and zoom PTZ miniature one, really cool. Home security, home store surveillance, office security, baby care, elder care, and most importantly, pet care. If you have your pet at home and you want to see what's going on, this is probably one of the best things you can invest in personally. So let's take a look at this together. Let's do a quick unboxing. I just want to show you a little bit what it looks like, what's included, and just give you some basic information so you can make a knowledgeable purchase. So what comes in the kit? Well, it comes in the kit is, of course, the camera itself. And here you can see what it looks like right here. Small, it has a built-in speaker, night vision all built in, holds a small card. Let me just show you where that, it's an SD card. It goes right in here. Let me just show you right here. SD card goes right in here. And there's also a reset button. So if there's any issues with programming, getting set up, you can hit that reset button right there. And also the SD card goes right in there. So super easy to do. Just pick up the head, pick up the ball, the eye, and that's where it's located right here. It's white. This is 360, the 180. There's a whole thing. Gives you full security. It goes back and forth, zooms, tilts up and down. It does everything, all included in here. Put this down to the side. It does come with a power brick, which is really nice. As a shot of that, so you can see what that looks like. Let's see, focus. There we go. So you can see that right there. There's the power supply. It does come with a long cable. I think this is probably more like a 8-foot cable. This is pretty long. Nice long cable. Comes with a couple of anchors. So with the idea behind the anchors, that if you want to mount it to a wall, you can. You just mount it, snap it right in like that, and basically you can mount this any way you want, on the wall, on the ceiling. It doesn't really matter. Or if you just want to keep it on the table, you can. So that's easy as that. Comes with some simple instructions in here, how to hook it up, very easy, and a couple of templates if you want to screw it into the wall. I hope you can see that. There's little templates, so you can just you can mount this in there. So that's what's in the box. Manual. Now the manual has a little QR code. You just scan that little QR code, download the app, and the app is super easy to use and super intuitive. Very smart. Works fantastic. Just gives you can see everything 360. You can see how to use it. I'm going to hook up that right now. I'm going to download the app. Super easy. You start the app. You'll put it in your email address. It'll send you a security code. You put the security code in. And then you basically just scan the little QR code in the bottom here, get your app up and running. That's how you pair it. Really easy. It's super simple, super intuitive, so you really can't make a mistake. And if you do have an issue, just hit that reset button right here, and you'll be able to start over again, so you won't have any issues whatsoever. So another cool feature this has, it has a built-in alarm system as well, built-in alarm actually. So if you want to send off an alert, you hit the bell right here, and you can hear the alarm will go off like this. You hear that? There it is right there. So you can hear that. There's an alarm there. You can also record. I hit the record button. It starts recording just like that, super quick. And you can record as long as you want. And if you want to take a photo, it'll say taking photo, and it records everything right to the SD card. Very easy to use. Again, has night vision, HD capability, just a lot of technology in a very small thing. Works fantastic. 3K camera, 6 megapixel, 360 HD pan and tilt and zoom. Like I said, Wi-Fi camera. Okay, you can use this for anything. It has human detection, sound, motion, night vision, two-way audio, so you can talk back and forth, which is cool. I love that. It can hold up to a 512 gigabyte SD card. That's a lot of storage, guys. This is fantastic. And how to use it, super simple. Like I showed you, here's my hand. You can see my hand back and forth. Very easy. What's cool, also, you can pinch to zoom. Okay, so there's pinch to zoom. You can see, let me just show you right here, closer. You can pinch to zoom, super easy, right? And if you want to turn the camera, you just swipe. Now, if you want the camera to move, you just swipe it. So you swipe, see the camera moving? Just like that. That's how you turn the camera. You swipe on the screen, super easy. It's like that. Now, if you want the camera to go up and down, you swipe up, swipe down. You can just see that going up and down. Super easy, super intuitive. I love that. I just love the way it just flows with your finger. You can zoom, pinch to zoom back and forth. Definitely highly recommend if you're looking for a security camera for a pet or elderly person or just home security. I definitely highly recommend this camera. It's fantastic. I love it. you'll love it. And honestly, I've been playing with this for about a week now, and I absolutely really enjoying what it offers me, especially Wi-Fi. It's fantastic. You could be anywhere in the world and check in on your home, your family, your pets, make sure everything is good. And I definitely think that is cool. I love home security, and I think this definitely will solve that issue for you. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching my review.